Automate routine work without writing a single line of code. Discover how no-code automation works best with the apps you already use. Get instant Twitter notifications when contracts are signed and share your success with followers. Get notified in Slack whenever employees open or complete a survey you've sent. Automatically create new campaigns for your MailChimp mailout based on the workflow conditions you've set. Simplify team management by creating new tasks in Jira based on weekly statuses. Improve collaboration by creating new cards in Trello with data from team reports. Take advantage of the popular apps you use while handling the most complex document workflows with the airSlate Academy. Enroll in the Integration Bots course now by clicking the link in the description.